In our modern business world, it is now more important than ever to leave a strong professional and lasting impression with every person you encounter, especially leads when you're trying to make money. So it's very crucial to have the look of a professional in anything you do, and this video is all about that. Do you care about professional look for your business? Well, I'll be diving into what I think is the best ways to represent yourself and your company to get more sales. How can you look the most professional in your business? Looking as professional as can be may be obvious, but from my experience, it is not at all that obvious to small or new businesses. It's very important to look proper and professional, especially when you're making a first impression and try to sell your services to them. It can make or break a deal, which will lead to money lost that should not have been lost if you looked like a pro. You want to avoid looking like an amateur business at all costs. So what appearance mistakes do I see in others and my own business in the past? When it comes to hygiene, make sure to have clean done hair. Get on a haircut schedule and make sure it looks right in the morning. Don't show up with messy hair. And brush your teeth in the morning. Not everyone does, so if you want to make more money, brush your teeth. And I don't know why I have to say that, but make sure to wear deodorant and shower. No one wants a bad smelling person talking or selling to them. If any of that is you, don't get offended. Just change your habits and start seeing your life change for the better. Also, don't be overweight, or work on it if you are. Keep your food mainly clean, less of it, and go work out. You'll only feel and get better from it, and it will leave a better impression with potential customers. And also shave your face or trim the beard if you have one. Don't look careless and homeless. So now you know how to maintain your body for a professional look, but what you put or wear on your body is just important. So depending on your industry, you can research the big companies and see how they look on their website, Google Images, or social media. You're gonna wanna replicate but not fully copy. In my industry, which is tile and grout restoration, the most professional look is cargo pants or shorts with a collar shirt, like the ones with the 2 to 3 buttons at the top. At all costs, don't wear sweatpants, basketball shorts, old and casual shirts like that. You wanna look professional, not like you're sitting on the couch or you came straight from there. And then for shoes, I like to wear waterproof sneakers so it looks fine and is useful to me. But depending on what you do, you probably want to wear nothing that stands out in a negative way. I recommend maybe boots, blacked out sneakers, or in my case, waterproof shoes. Maybe you have to look a little bit better, so just wear like dress shoes or something. Are you struggling with any of these things? Let me know what other tricks you do to look pro. Dressing the same or better than your competition is very crucial in many parts of running a business. It seems small, but the more small changes like this you make, the more you get back. Do anything it takes to step up to the next level and improvement. A lot of daily 1% improvements will eventually lead to hundreds and thousands of percent of growth. So let me know, what small things are you doing to improve your small business? Please consider subscribing to the channel if you found value in this video and would like to keep up to date with the weekly videos. We go into small business growth strategies from every possible angle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.